So we've got the grill going on here, guys. We're making up some baked potatoes. We're also putting having some sirloin steaks that we're doing Pittsburgh style. So while we're doing it, we're gonna take a little walk around the yard, and I've been out here looking at my flowers and stuff that comes up. So we're into the middle of November and flowers are still blooming here. Weather's beautiful today, so follow along, guys. All right, there's Abby. No, that's not Abby. That's Cassie. You don't see Cassie outside a lot. So where's Abby at? You afraid, Abby? You afraid? She don't know what's going on. She doesn't know what's going on. It was a little chilly out here this morning. The temperature was down to like 53 degrees. But what we're going to do now is we're going to do a little grilling. We got some potatoes and we got some steaks that we're going to put out on the grill and check them out, see what we got going here. Let's get the grill lit up here. This grill is one we got for the hurricanes. What you do is put it on and we got fire. There you guys go. Now I'm going to turn this down here, kind of like on a medium heat. Got the get these potatoes gone here. We crusted these over with some salt. And so we're going to just set those potatoes in there and just let them bake for a while. We'll come back here and check a little bit. That's the temperature on the rig, so there we go. Alright guys, we have a couple nice sirloin steaks here. We're gonna barbecue these babies all up here. What I've done is I've taken the heat, turned the heat up as high as it'll go, because I don't know if you've ever had what you call Pittsburgh style steaks. And in a Pittsburgh style steak, what you do is you get that fire about as hot as you can get it. And then what you do is you slap your steak on there. I always have some juices that come on. I don't waste those. That's flavor there. Pour that on there. I'm going to move these potatoes all the way to the back here so they don't get too done. Flip them over. They look like they're getting pretty close. Close her up. Let her go till they get nice and charcoaled. Let's take a look at our bushes here. See what's going on with our plants. These are called plumbago. They need all tore down. They're really getting pretty grown up. Here's the flowers on them. Got pretty little flowers. They bloom about all summer, and we're into November. They probably start blooming somewhere in March, and will continue to bloom, like I said, all the way. I'm not sure what the names of these are, but they're very pretty. They pretty awesome flowers there, but you see how they grow? They go right up the, this is a cable for a television cable coming in. This here is aloe. Aloe. Good for sunburns and stuff, scrapes. I haven't done a walk around the backyard for quite a while. hear an airplane, but probably can't see him over the trees. It's just, if you happen to see him go by, the trees kind of block things out. My palm tree. I planted this palm here 21 years ago. It was just a tiny little thing. Beside an old well. That's my old well. We have a new well that was there actually when I bought the property. Some more little flowers. Look at these pretty little flowers. I don't know if it's focusing in on them or not. My own jungle. Looks like we've got some, got these berries that come out in the fall. And we've got these little yellow, looks like a daisy. Well, they're pretty cool, little daisies. Some elephant ears. Hear the banging in the background. They do some shooting. I don't know what they're shooting at. Three musketeers, three stooges. Got that thing hot. We've got it about 500 degrees. Things is smoking away. There's our sirloin steaks and our burgers here. What we're gonna do is we got these things really cooking hot. I'll flip them over here once. Look at that. Look at the grill marks on that baby. So here we guys go. These are some good steaks. Now if you wonder why one's red, I did an experiment. Put a little food coloring in it. I was just wondering, sometimes your meat looks really, really red at the market. And you go, is that really that red? Or is it food coloring? Well, I'm not sure yet. It looks still red, but the red doesn't go away when you cook it. So maybe it's not food coloring. Maybe it really is that red. Here we go. We have a sirloin steak done up really good with a baked potato with all the fixings. It's got seasoned up nicely, done in Pittsburgh style, which means it's really on a hot grill, put on there and slapped on, and so the outside's nice and seared. So hey, I know we're gonna enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed me making it, my little tour around the yard. If you did, hey, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, leave it in the section below. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell at the top. That'll notify you of my new videos. So we'll see you guys the next time. Happy eating. I'm going to go enjoy this steak. I think Sue is too. Later, guys. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs. Or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.